as you all know, it's your girl Glory Smiles. I hope you all have been smiling and being brave. So today we're out on the streets of Lagos. Yes, Lagos, Nigeria. We want to know what people think about the banning of bikes, Okada, Keke Nape, and all sorts. You know, I know you want to know what people feel. So Chiwa will go out on the streets to know what they think about it. So let's hear from you. What do you have to say about this?
It's where I get to now. Talk now be say. Make them not try to ban the Okada. Okada now they use eating. I want your children. Now they use feed them. I beg you. I don't want to go thief. I don't want to go steal. I don't want to go kill. No Okada now they do. How they do this Okada? They use and they feed my family. So now waiting I have to change. So make them stop. Make them not stop Okada at all again. Both police allow some whosoever. Make them not stop Okada again. Make them leave Okada alone. Okada no do anything. Okada no commit anything. Okada no commit any crime. I beg, make them stop the stop Okada people. That's what I have.
Thank you very much.
Then, on the problem that is on the line now, it is sad to say that government are taking the decision to ban us from operating. But the point is that have they looked into what it takes? For example, a man of my age with 3 children in higher educations, what will it take for me to make sure that I train them to come out? I have an handwork and I cannot have a shop. The shop I have, I cannot operate it again because the owner of the compound said I should give them their shop. And I cannot afford to rent another shop. I decided to cooperate on Marawa in order to take care of my family. But right now, they said no more Marawa. How many works are available outside for people? How many thousand are sweeping the streets? How many thousand are picking racolis on the streets? Then if all of us now come in picking racolis, how many racolis will a person take in order to sell and get 500 naira a day?
Please, I'm pleading that our government, the Lagos State government, should consider us because our condition here in Lagos now, here in Nigeria, is too bad. If you abandon Keke and Okada, how am I going to feed our family, school children, other things? Even all these things will be banned because nobody will make use of it. When the bandit say we will not work in Lagos State, how are you going to do? You cannot carry all these things in your head. We are paying for houses, we are feeding children. We have other things we are doing through this is and no work. How you have make the consider us? We not say they don't ahead, but make they think about the poor. Make they think about the poor because if you come out this thing, we are doing nothing. That means you are sending us home. We are not happy since we are hearing all this things at all. Make they consider us. We are following human being like them. You see, somebody when you start for work, you know how you feel. Talking to somebody that using his own this thing and doing his own business. But they consider we are following human being like them. Don't say when they're there in office, they feel that nobody do this thing. But they have mess upon us because we are suffering.
See, it's very, very appalling. I don't know. Well, these people when they be on top like this, they think everybody is like just like them. It's not good at all. How can you say or Keke man should not walk on the road? Upon they had that. Just imagine they had the kind problem people are in this country now. We are not the cause. In short, they are the cause. They are the cause of all these problems. So if you ban Keke, look at a man now. Some of us now, we are having 5 children in the house. You know how much one cup of a gari is now. 1 stick of yam. How you go to market and price, and the man use this in to feed his children, do other responsibility, many things. Now, if you say you don't work on the road now, how can he cope with the situation? I beg, government should go back. Let them think twice. Let them think twice. You see, this country belongs to everybody, not only them. Not because they are there. We are people who voted them in. They're supposed to consider. Not when you climb up the hill and you say others should go.
I could really feel the pain these people are feeling. Even me on my own, I'm actually feeling the pain. So what do you have to say about this?
Good afternoon. See, our government, what they are doing us is unfair. You understand? We are the youth of this country. We are the ones that vote them in. You understand? They decide to ban Okada and tricycle, which is Marwa. without creating any job opportunity for the youth. What do they want us to do? Do they want to go and steal or what? It's unfair. Let them think and reason well before they take an decision of bounding tricycle and okada in this state. And also Lagos State government, you understand, what they are doing is unfair.
Okay, quick one. Let me ask you this: do you think Okada and Keke Napep are the reasons why there are a whole lot of accidents on the road?
If you come in accident, you understand, a lot of things cause an accident on road. You can't tell me that it's only tricycle, which is Marwa and Okada, only them that have an accident on road. Accident can occur at any time, you understand. You can see Korokwe, LT, which is Danfo. Yes, all these big vehicles. When they have an accident, you understand, the accident may lead to death. You understand? So accident is
so in other words, accident is not just caused by Keke and Okada, it's also caused by some other vehicles.
Any vehicles.
Yeah. See, sometimes I'm a government worker, sometimes I may be late to work. Nowadays, we have some hold-ups, holding here and there, that repairing roads, that will block the roads. So only thing I can make us to save from our job is to take a bike or to take Keke. So now, banning of Keke is to put people in stress, to put people in a danger. Because nowadays that is what they are using to feed their family. And that is what they are using to feed. Some of them have 5 kids, 3 kids to feed. But today, government are the one causing the problem. Because sometimes they will block the road that they are repairing the road, while others are using leg from far distance. It's only bike and Keke that can do it for us. Because all these narrow roads, motor cannot follow it, only Keke and bike. And meanwhile, if you watch all this network, they still have their own bike. All this network has a new bike. So if they want to start, they should start from them, not from the people. Yeah. So they are the one making the money. These people are the ones sustaining, helping themselves with this little thing. Unless government want to ban it, if government have something else to give to them to do, give them something to do, fine, they will stop it. But if they cannot provide job for them, why are you stopping them? And some of them are feeding, some of them are working. So now I'm going out now. I cannot move from here to here. Hold up will hold me. I'll nearly be stuck in my company because of all this hold up. I have to take Keke and get to Okada. So government should think about this. We have a lot of population in Nigeria. There's no job, nothing. So we need to sustain ourselves. Is it better for us to start robbing or killing? No. It's for us to help ourselves. We use this Keke to help our family, to help ourselves, not to be robbed, not to be under robbery or killing. So that is why we are here. Government should find something doing. If they were going to create another road for them to follow, better. But I don't support of this Okada running an express. It's wrong. When the government asks you to run on the normal road, on the service lane, run there. Don't go to the express. That's my own advice, to avoid accidents. Because mostly what that cause accident is Okada, all those things. But now we have people that know how to drive this very well, that will take you to your destination without no problem. They should give them training for it. They should go for training. So if they go for training, they will be able to learn how to drive people safely. We are talking about safety. Government is talking about safety. So safety is most important in our life. I know they are fighting for our lives, but at the same time, they should please and look at the people, look their welfare, look at them, to stop this Keke and not this Marwa, so that they can feed from it. Unless government will help them. We are begging government to just look into us.
So, are you an Okada man or a Keke Napep?
I be Keke Napep.
Okay, now, so if Keke Napep is taken away from you, how are you going to feed your family?
Well, I don't have anything to say, because I just sleep and wake up. They tell me, see, make I just come off for road without not even notice us. They don't even tell us anything. They don't even give us chance. You understand now? Because tomorrow morning now, I don't even know the thing where I can do now. To go and park my Keke for house. Okay, I dey work for this seller now. If I want to go house for Ijesha, so all the bridge wey dem tell me say make I no pass, so make I no carry my Keke go house. Or if I carry my keke dey go house, one person go just stop for road say governor say make I no pass this road. I be citizen for this country now and I vote for this governor. So you even tire me. I'm very tired because I don't know the thing wey I fit do now. So make governor just help us. Even if we want to do anything, make just give us chance to think the thing wey we can do next. So it's very I even know I don't know the thing wey I fit do for now.
And this guy, the place they send him to go and park now to go and work. There's no work there, and there's where person still work there. That's where we person can begin to, I guess, start life, get something to do. And then even where I'm going to church, it's along this road now. So when I want to come to church now, so we'll not be able to come again. Eh? So and the year is helping us. Here is helping us. And then now all the inside the area now, go say will be stopping up and down. So please, let them help us to the government. Let them allow us to work for this work. Keke operation is not causing accident. So, I guess we know the way all of us we are driving. Please help us to talk to the governor, please. Thank you.
My name is Brother Samuel Chukwu.
Okay. So what do you think about the banning of bikes, Okada and Keke Napep here in Lagos?
Actually, I support the banning of Okada because of the way the Northerners have taken it. They use it to block the expressway and they cause accidents sometimes. But in terms of Keke, I want us to look in, because Keke is the only means of that we use to actually get into our street. Keke did not run in the expressway. Keke does not cause accident the way Okada cause accident. I plead to Lagosian for them to plead for Keke, pardon Keke, but Okada, they have taken it so hard to the extent that they did not even run in the street. They are now running above motor in the express, causing accident every day. Even sometimes ago, they hit me here. They hit me here through one way. So they did not treat me. I'm the one that treat myself. The Aboki that call themselves Niger. There are two more. They are taking their power because they think that their brother is in the seat. They can drive anyhow. They can do anyhow. That is why I support the banning of Okada in Lagos.
So you want Okada to be banned in Lagos?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
Gaskiya muna shan wahala. Mu bar gida, da muka bar gida kuma mu fita nima kuma ba bar mu ba. Mu fita nima kuma ba bar mu ba. Mu aka ce ba so zama banza. Muka ce bar mu fita mu nima. To kuma za a kama mashina mu ba sata muka yi ba komai ba. Mu ba mu gudu ba za a kara kama har da mu. To da Allah to sai mana kuma akwai iyayen mu a gida ila noma suke yi ba aikin yi, kuma akwai kane mu suna makaranta muna taimake su in mu yi a Okada nan muna taimake su da kudi makaranta, mu kuma muna so mu nima kuma mu kara mu koma makaranta. Gaskiya to sai mana mu ba mu da wajen zuwa a gida ma babar mu ba nan ma babar mu ba, gaskiya sai a to sai mana.
People are really wanting to express their views and their thoughts about it. When we thought it was a rap, we still had them calling us, telling us they want to express themselves. Let's get to hear from him. What do you have to say about this?
Jama'a da Allah to saya mana, mu mun zo nan ne saboda mu yi aikin taimakawa iyayenmu. A kauyenmu ina jihar Adamawa State, sunana Daniel Tanko. A kauyenmu muna da wahala saboda gaskiya Boko Haram suna ta ringa takura mana. Mu yara kuma mun zo nan saboda mu nemo kuɗi mu samu koma makaranta. Haka in kuma ana saki takura mana aka ce ba su yaran Okada. Don haka kam da Allah na zamu je, don Allah ku to saya mana. Kun gwamnati mu ba kwa so ku to saya mana, da Allah ku to saya mana saboda ba da zamu iya yi ne. In ba ya haka ba yanzu a misali wannan abun jiyawa zai cause problem saboda a kauyenmu akwai waɗanda suna da abunan jiyawa, akwai barayi, akwai sora waɗansu abubuwan jiyawa wanda ake yi a cikin kauyenmu. Yanzu a misali mu yara Okada in mun samu mun koma gida to me za mu samu mu yi, ba dole za mu samu mu koma muna sata ba muna babada suna iyayenmu ba, to ba amfani dan Allah to saya mana. Gwamnati mu sai ta ɗau mataki akan wannan abu saboda gaskiya mu yara Okada muna wahala sosai. A kauyen muna biyan haya a gida, muna so mu koma makaranta, muna so mu yi abu ra'ayinmu ba iya bar mu, to an hana mu yin Okada in me za mu samu yi, gaskiya a duba wannan abun da.
Good afternoon.
So what do you have to say about this?
Well, Lagosians don't understand the problem of Lagosians. It's not about banning Okada is the issue. All of us that are driving Okada, we are not happy, and they didn't provide any other thing for us to do. If we stop Okada, there's nothing else to do. and the economy is going down from there. Do you know how many Okadas that is going to fuel station to buy fuel? It will also affect them. So we Okada men, we are just looking at what will happen.
Okay, quick one. Let me ask you this: feel Okada or Keke Nape is the reasons why we have accidents in Lagos State?
There's always accidents. Even motors and the cars, they always have accidents. So those things are unforeseen occurrences. Okada and Keke is not the major of accidents in Lagos State.
Well, it's very bad for Lagos State government to treat masses in this Lagos in such a way that is not fair. Honestly, I wonder what will happen in Lagos. In other words, I believe Lagos State government is encouraging more criminals and more bad things in Lagos State, because I'm sure very well when Okada is being banned and the Keke are being banned, especially Ikotu, Egbe, Aziz, it's going to be a very hectic issue, because I know this road, a lot of people, bike, Keke, are feeding various families and a lot of people. So I wonder how a lot of people are going to cope. In this aspect, I don't know. It's going to be a tragedy. And I think, in summary, Lagos State is somehow telling Lagosians or those who are living in Lagos to make a shift. Thank you.
Definitely, to my own sense of understanding, I've been in Lagos. I came to Lagos in 1987. So what I'm seeing in Lagos State now is a different ball game. The Okada and the tricycle, they are constituting a whole lot of nuisance. Many people have been losing their life basically in the way they drive. They don't take care of those they carry. And they say it's Lagos style, but I don't think it's Lagos style, because I think this is the best thing that's ever happened to Lagos State government.
So now you're saying you want Governor Sanwo-Olu to ban Okada bikes. But let's assume you're a businessman and you're stuck in Lagos traffic. I believe you know what Lagos traffic is. And you're stuck in Lagos traffic. How are you able to meet up with your appointment when there are no longer bikes on the road?
Okay, definitely. My own contribution to the Lagos State government. Stopping the Okada is a benefit for us, because it keeps our life in a safety part of it. But they should make a provision by rehabilitating the roads, putting the roads in order, because when the roads are in order, automatically there will not be traffic. So that's my advice to His Excellency. Watch yourself. We're all watching you. We need the best of you. May God bless you.
Lagos people are really expressing their thoughts about this. So here with me we have a woman. She's actually a trader, not a bike man. So let's hear what she has to say about this. Mommy, let's go.
Yeah, welcome, my sister. What I'm saying about is that bounding Okada and Keke Nape is not the person. You don't provide any means of transport apart from this. If there is, well, they then go on. But if there's not, they don't think over it before they act, or before they do anything they want to do. Because the Okada and this Keke Nape helps us a lot. Without that one, I cannot come to my market. I can enter motor from here to my tree, but they cannot carry me from my house to this place. And it's what I use every day by day. And it's helped me a lot. And I know it also helps others. So let them consider before they act. That's my own opinion. Please.
Of Lagos, and we have Lagosians expressing themselves. Believe me, you want to hear this. So good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so what do you have to say about the banning of Okada, Keke Nape in Lagos State?
To me, I didn't even expect it. But that is the only way poor men survive. Because our country, they don't care if you are poor or you are rich, but all they keep on intimidating the poor ones. Even me, I have been Okada rider for years. It's just because of God helped me, I learned work. That's all. Apart from it, I could have been Okada rider till now. But Jesus is able.
Okay.
So what of them that does not have knowledge of God now? How will they survive?
Okay, now, so do you think Okada and Keke Nape are the cause of accidents in Lagos?
I don't know. What is cause of the accident is not Okada and whatever. Accidents occur the way you want to occur, because it's a spiritual grab that bring that physical ones. So but for them banding Okada or Keke or whatever is meaningless, because that's the only way of our transport to meet up with our target. Look at now, I'm rushing to work now with my tools. It's not back I will enter. But if they band it, I will feel pain, because they are on top, they are on high. But I know God also is taking us high in spiritual side, and the outward manifestation is also there. So there's no two about it. Them banding Okada is a wickedness. I cannot agree with them. But how will we talk? Even what we are saying now, will they give thought to it? They cannot, because they're already somewhere.
Government just want to add to the problem of mercy because they have not made alternative for this thing that they want to create. And everybody know that Lagos get over 20 million population, and there is no expansion again. It's only Okada that people are making to reach their destination. By the time they do this, they start this thing that they say they want to do on February 1st, they will see the implication. They will just cause inconvenience for the people, because like Apapa now, there is no road for any car, only bike can go to Apapa. There is no good road in anywhere in Lagos. They just add to the problem for the masses, and they should think twice. They should rethink about the matter.
As an Okada driver, you're a family man. How are you going to feed your family if this Okada is taken away from you?
What I will say concerning about the issue of this Okada issue is that the government does not provide any job for Okada riders, and we are doing this job to sustain our family. There's no job in this Lagos, in this nation. If government can provide job for us, we can leave the work, because this work is not a good job. The reason why we are doing it because there's no job in this Nigeria. That's why we are doing it to help our family. As a lot of people be graduates, because of there's no job. That's why they enter into this Okada line. And the Okada line, they used to feed their family and feed their children. Even they have a lot of people that they are sent to school through the Okada job. So if the government can leave Okada alone to be driving, because we cannot use this Okada driving still. People that use Okada still, some of them, they are not Okada rider. I mean, they stay in the name of Okada rider, say that Okada rider they are stealing, which is they are not stealing. Because somebody that have family and feeding his own family, have children, they cannot use Okada to go and rob. Because we are using it to sustain our children and our family, feed our family. If government can help address the Okada issue, they help Okada to be operating without no disturbing, there's no problem.
All about Okada men, Keke Nape. So now we want to talk about the Keke Nape issue. And here with us, we have someone that is ready to air his view. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
So what do you have to say about this?
What I want to say that, if looking at the situation, you see that there is no job in this, in Nigeria. There's job, but there's no, what I mean by there's no job, when you look at the situation of Nigeria, it's not circulating. And even if you eventually find a work, they will not pay more than 15,000 naira. And some people are using Okada to feed their family and to pay house rent and to help, the brothers and sisters. And now they want to, talking about the banding of Okada. I don't think it's a good idea. I think they should consider the masses, the people that is using it to go to work. There is traffic in Lagos, so I don't see the reason why they should ban it. They should help us and consider us. So that is what I will say.
What do you have to say about this situation?
It's unfair for the governor to say he wants to ban the keke. What do you want us to do? What do you want us to do? Do you want us to go and steal? Where are the operators? What do you want us to do? That's what we used to feed our families. There's no any job. There's nothing to do. What do you want us to do? How are they going to, our children, how are they going to feed? Are they not going to go to, what about their education? What do they want us to do? Yeah? It's unfair, but the governor have to consider the situation of things in the country. It's not only me. Majority of us, we are more than 50,000 people operating Keke and Okada. So what do you want them to do?
Guys, Lagosians, Nigeria at large, still on the matter. So what do you have to say about this?
About the
banning of Keke and Okada?
No, it's good. Nothing I can say, because Keke, La Pepe and Okada rider, they are wasting a lot of people. A lot of people, even some people now, they are bad. Some in hospital, some, if you went to Gobi, there's many people there. So that's why I support.
So before I let you go, are you trying to say that it's the Okada and Keke Nape that are the cause of accidents? Are you not seeing in an aspect of bad roads?
Number one is the driver.
So not those bad roads.
Drive them. So that is the issue. That is the way issue come. Okay, some of them have already overdrink, taking alcohol. smoking India hemp. So by the time they handle the machine, they drive anyhow. Anyhow. So,
Thank you very
and
much.
most of the old houses, most of those houses, they have no control, sef. The way they drive, anyhow, wah. Before you see, bad.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So what do you have to say about this issue?
What I will have to say is that it's not that it's not good to ban the bike. Before they will ban bike, government need to provide some companies which people can work before they will be banning all these things. If you ban it like that, they can go into robbery because they will not have what they will be doing. At least government have to support, as in to create more,
Employment. So quick one, let me ask you, do you think all these keke and okada are the reasons why we have lots of accidents in Lagos State?
The problem is that they can be trained. It's not anyhow people you just give a license to be riding all this bike. They're supposed to create a training for them so they can continue. They can continue. Yes.
Okay. It's been pretty amazing and at the same time, you know what I mean. So good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
What do you have to say about this situation?
The situation about this Keke Marwa and Okada people, they are using it to help their family. Are you hearing me? The government did not create a job opportunity for people. A lot of people have their certificates. Are you hearing me? So banning the Okada, banning the Keke Marwa, they have to make a provision for them. Without that provision, I don't know where the way forward for those people that are ban their Keke Marwa and the Okada. So what I'm pleading the government is that they have to make a provision for people like this.
I'm fine. Okay, so tell me, how do you feel if they ban Okada and Keke Nape?
I'll feel very bad. Why? Because Okada is what we use to
do your day-to-day activities.
Yes, we get everything we want. And Okada is very good for work. If you want to go to work now, Okada will be very fast, more than the vehicles. So we don't want them to ban Okada at all. We really need Okada in this city.
That's nice. Okay, thank you very much. So quick one, would you say Okada or Keke Nape is the reason why we always have accidents in Lagos State?
If you say so, everybody can stay in house. If you see somebody sleeping, tomorrow is not waking up. If you see somebody traveling from here to Jamili or Abuja, he have accident, everybody perish. You understand me? If when somebody will come out for Okada, he's just walking as this young man walking, it's not fair, he dead. Are you getting? So everybody for the life got a right to the way you will die. Are you getting me? So Okada is no problem of this country. You understand me? Okada is no problem of this country. Many people is graduate and running Okada. Many people is graduate and running Keke. You understand me? And many people inside there have about 4 children, about 3, 4, and training them for university and secondary school. So when you remove all these things, they take feeding in children, how the person will succeed? You understand? So it's all the problem of this country is for our elders to know the 5 hands is not the same equal. They have category there. It's not somebody run a bus engine, you take a run jeep. So everybody will take in more level. Thank you very much, and tell the government to make adjustment everything and make everybody to be one level.
Okay guys, I'm smiling because it's been amazing. Why you have to listen to people, hear their views, and tell you how they feel about the ongoing situation. Sincerely, it's really heartbreaking. How are these people going to feed their families? How are they going to sort their children's bills? How are they going to pay their house rent? How are they going to be able to provide food for their families? As we all heard, we have family men that are Okada drivers. We have family men that are Keke Napep drivers. Most of them have 3 children in school. Most of them have 5 children, and of which most of them are higher institution, are in higher institution. So how does the government expect them to pay these fees? And as we all know, going to school is not easy. How did the government expect them to solve this? So in other words, I'd love to speak for the people and say Governor Sanwo-Olu should really look into this matter, because negotiators are not finding this funny at all. They say if this is taken away from them, what does the government expect them to fall back to? Till I come your way next time, I remain Glory Smiles, and always remember, this is Brave TV. Remember to stay brave regardless of every situation you find yourself in. Remember to always give a smile, because as far as there's life, there is hope. Thank you.